Hello my dear students, welcome back to my channel Essential Academy Chemistry with Vinay. In this video, we are going to learn about the name reactions of Aldol condensation, cross-Aldol condensation and Cannizzaros reaction. Remember children, Aldol condensation as well as cross-Aldol condensation is only possible when the aldehydes are ketone if they contain alpha hydrogen atom. If alpha hydrogen atom is present, then only aldol condensation, cross-aldol condensation takes place. How to recognize a cross-aldol and cross-aldol condensation? I'll give you a detailed explanation based on this. Whenever it is an aldol condensation and cross-aldol condensation they use dilute NaOH. And the final product will be alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compounds. This is the final product of alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compounds. Now remember children, aldol condensation takes place between same type of aldehydes. Whereas cross-aldol condensation, it takes place between different types of aldehyde. Remember. But when it comes to a Cannizzaros reaction, children, it is going to be possible when the aldehyde containing no alpha hydrogen atom. No alpha hydrogen atom is equal to Cannizzaros reaction. Alpha hydrogen atom is equal to aldol condensation, cross-aldol condensation. Aldol condensation is nothing but same aldehyde. Cross-aldol condensation is nothing but different aldehyde. The main product of aldol and cross-aldol is alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compound, whereas Cannizzaros is nothing but no alpha hydrogen atom. In the presence of potassium hydroxide, it is one of the reactant to give you an alcohol and a potassium salt of acid. And this is all about the introductory part, what we are going to learn in this video. That is aldol condensation, cross-aldol condensation and Cannizzaros reaction. Let us start the reaction one by one now children. Let us start with the aldol condensation children. You can observe here, in case of aldol condensation, Aldol condensation means you should remember this, that is going to be with condensation of same type of aldehydes. Remember, it's very important, same type of aldehydes. And now we'll take one example here. We'll just go for a general reaction here. You can observe. I will take a same type of aldehyde. I have taken a same type of aldehyde. If you observe here children, neatly you can understand. This is the active site. The active site to which the carbon is attached, it has got hydrogen. You can observe it has got the hydrogen. This is the active site to which the carbon attached. This carbon is going to be a alpha carbon atom, and this alpha carbon atom has got alpha hydrogen. This is the active site. This is the alpha carbon atom. Alpha carbon atom has two alpha hydrogen atom. Both of them have got alpha hydrogen atom. That is why they both undergo self-condensation. In case of self-condensation, this hydrogen will move here and this carbon atom will attach here. And now you can observe here in this reaction, which is going to take place in the presence of dilute NaOH. You can observe there. Now if you observe here, there is going to be a formation of an intermediate compound, that is RCH2 ROH H, and here it is going to be CHRCHO. This is a intermediate beta hydroxyaldehyde. We call this as a beta hydroxyaldehyde. And this beta hydroxyaldehyde, when it is further heated, you can observe the product that is going to be formed here. I'll just show it here. When it is heated, further heated, there is an elimination of water. You can observe this is going to go outside as water. Elimination of water. And a double bond is formed here. And here the double bond is formed. So it is going to be, that is going to be alpha CH2 CH, a double bond C R CHO. And this what we call it as, generally known as alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compounds. This is the final product of aldol condensation. Hope you have understood, that is, what is this alpha hydrogen atom is and how it undergo self condensation. We'll go further with the cross aldol condensation also, children. In case of cross aldol, the word cross aldol means, you should remember, there is a condensation that takes place between different types of aldehydes. The different type of aldehydes, you can observe the example I am taking here, children. I will take an example of CH3, CH2, C double bond O, H plus H, CH2, CHO. If you observe here, this is a propane aldehyde. This is a propane aldehyde. And this is a ethanol, or it is also known as ethanol. You can just take it as ethanol. This is ethanol, this is propanol or propane aldehyde. So here I have taken two different aldehydes, and here also if you observe, there is this hydrogen atom will attach to this oxygen. Now there is a formation of an intermediate compound, and this takes place in the presence of a dilute NaOH. And now you can observe here CH3, CH2, here it is H, H and CH2, CHO. And here one hydrogen from here and OH from this side, one hydrogen from here and OH from this side. There is an elimination of water takes place, and that is due to heating. And the further compound that will be formed here, it is CH3, CH2, CH double bond, CH, CHO. And how do you name this compound? How do you name this, children? It is very simple. You can observe, just name this as, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4 and this is 5. So there are totally 5 carbon atom pent 2 in. For the first carbon atom there is a aldehyde, so I'll just add it as Al. And this is the name of the compound, children. So this is all about the cross aldol condensation. Now let us quickly even go for the Cannizzaros reaction. Cannizzaros reaction. Remember, children, whenever I say Cannizzaros reaction, it takes place the aldehyde containing no alpha hydrogen atom. It takes place with the aldehyde containing no alpha hydrogen atom. If it is no alpha hydrogen atom, I'll just show you one best example for here. I will take an example of benzaldehyde. I'll take twice of benzaldehyde. When the benzaldehyde is treated with, when it reacts with a strong solution of potassium hydroxide, there is a formation of a potassium benzoate. This is a potassium benzoate. One potassium with one COOK it forms. thereby forming a benzyl alcohol. A benzyl alcohol is obtained. A benzyl alcohol. So this is known as a potassium benzoate, and in case the other one, that is benzyl alcohol. And this is all about the two types of reactions. The name reaction, the one is the Aldol condensation reaction, cross Aldol condensation reaction, as well as Canyzarose. Try to remember, aldol or cross aldol, it is only possible when they contain alpha hydrogen atom. Cross aldol or cross aldol is possible only if they contain alpha hydrogen atom. If it is Canyzarose, no alpha hydrogen atom. If you observe here, there is no alpha hydrogen here. This is the active site to which the carbon is attached, is again a benzene, where you can see a resonance. Therefore, there is no alpha hydrogen atom here. That's all in this video, children. For more videos, subscribe to my channel and do like if you have liked the video, click on the like button, and let us see. I'll see you again in my next video, children. See you again.